Is it your birthday?
No.
So if you're connected with us, then when it's your birthday, you will get a little bit of surprise in your inbox.
Everyone loves a surprise in their inbox.
So we won't tell you exactly what it is, but it's a video.
Yay!
And it's not a link to a video. So it's not a link to a video on YouTube or on our website. It's a video in your inbox. And it took us, when I say us, it's like the team and I, ages to work out how to do this. And what they do is they log into my LinkedIn on their mobile device, on their phone. So it doesn't actually work on the desktop. And then they manually go and work out whose birthday it is and then send them this surprise. And so if you want to be a little bit creative in the inbox and send people videos, maybe it's after they've connected with you could send them the video message, or when it's their birthday, then you can actually get your virtual assistant to go in and do it via their mobile device. So that's a little tip.
Cool tip.
Oh, and if you want Maureen's book, where she's written all the things virtual assistants can help you with on LinkedIn, click on the link, above, below, wherever it's going to be. Click on it, baby.